Hi everyone. Let's continue to look at how you can quickly prepare the ship for pilotage, arrival or departure, take over the watch or prepare the ship for heavy weather, using company checklists, mainly based on the appropriate bridge procedures guide checklists. Those checklists you can find in the Annex 3 of the Bridge Procedures Guide, which should be in the ship's bridge library. Today let's look at Section B checklist, which is called Steering Gear Test Routines, and let's go through it. Every watch, after prolonged use of autopilot, you should check and confirm rudder response to manual steering from all bridge positions using each steering gear power unit singly and together. Before entering coastal or congested waters, check communications between bridge and steering gear compartment. Check and confirm rudder response to manual steering from all bridge positions using each steering gear power unit singly and together. Prior to departure, no more than 12 hours prior to departure, check communications between bridge and steering gear compartment. Test and confirm correct operation of the main steering gear, auxiliary steering gear, remote steering gear control systems, steering positions on the bridge, emergency power supply. All rudder angle indicator repeaters show the correct rudder position. Remote steering gear control system power failure alarms. Steering gear power unit failure alarms. Automatic isolating arrangements and other automatic equipment. You should make following checks and tests. Confirm the full rudder movement according to the required capabilities of the steering gear. Usually it is from 35 degrees on one side to 35 degrees on the other side. Check the timing of rudder movement from hard over to hard over, using each steering gear power unit singly. That must not be more than 28 seconds from 35 degrees on either side to 30 degrees on the other side, and together, to ensure consistency with previous tests. And visually inspect the steering gear and linkages for damage. Emergency steering drills. Emergency steering drills should take place at least every 3 months and should include direct control from within the steering gear compartment, the communications procedure with the bridge, and where applicable, the operation of alternative power supplies. Okay, guys, thanks for watching. See you in the next video.